Hello people of love, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be grilling some chicken drumstick, and this is the chicken that I'm going to be using. It is washed and ready to be seasoned. In a clean plate, I'm going to be adding a spoon of paprika and a soy sauce, about a spoon of that, and I'm adding salt to it, chicken bouillon, and I'm going to be adding ginger powder. Now I'm going to be mixing everything together. I will mix it to the extent that everything has completely melted. Once I'm done with the mixing, I am going to pour everything inside the chicken. Now I'm going to pour it in the chicken, and I'm going to mix everything together so that the chicken will absorb the sauce. All I need to do is to allow it to soak into the sauce as I work the sauce into the chicken. You can use any seasoning of your choice, whichever that works for you or whichever you have in your kitchen. Now I'm going to be putting the chicken in a Ziploc bag. My intention is to leave this chicken over the night because I want all the sauce to get into it. So after putting the chicken in a Ziploc, I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator over the night. Is in the Ziploc. I'm trying to zip up the bag so that the sauce will not spill out from the bag. Make sure it is well sealed. Now I'm still working, trying to massage the sauce into the chicken. Give it a good massage. Make sure that all the sauce has covered the chicken. At this time, I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator over the night. This is the next day. You can tell that the chicken has really been saturated in the sauce. I'm going to be baking it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Guys, this is a must try. Give it a try. I am telling you, the chicken was very juicy. All the sauce got into it. You can imagine this in the refrigerator over the night. Come on, you don't need any other thing. You have to give it a try. And I'm going to bake it and allow it to cook, and that is it for the baked chicken. I just want to say thank you all for watching my videos. I really do appreciate. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you come across it, please do so, as it helps my channel to grow. Thank you so much. Enjoy my videos. Give this chicken a try and let me know in my comment section. I will see you in my next video. You all have a wonderful weekend. Bye.